And the winner of the 2013 Excellence in Industry Award goes to Haggard and Stockton. They are awarded for their innovative, unique application of VMI inventory and vending machine technology to solve a major issue of a national aviation vendor's problem of cost control and reducing customers' foreign object debris to stay in compliance with his government flight representative. A more detailed explanation of this Excellence in Industry Award will be found in an interview that will appear on the ISA website. Thank you. Join me on stage, obviously, is Haggard and Stockton. Congratulations.
Well, I got to take a deep breath. With me on stage are members of my management team. Man, excuse me. This is not like me. Anyway, I'd like to introduce Jeff Haggard, Vice President of the Industrial Sales. Kevin Burnett, our Executive Vice President. Jeff's been with me right out of college about 25 years. Kevin's been with me for 35 years. Dave Allen, our Aerospace Operation Manager. Shannon Jackson, our Texas Area Manager. Also, we have Greg Preston with Cribmaster, our partner and sales representative, and Charlie Kelly, our Director of Commercial Sales. Other people with Cribmaster that we work closely with was Jamie Brewer. She could not be here, or excuse me, he could not be here tonight. He's technical engineering, Susan Hebrink, marketing, and Larry Harper, the president. You know, this is a big surprise, actually, when the ISA gentleman called me. Well, first off, they said I could say what I want, and I'm never lack of words. So when he called me, my wife and I were in Florida, at a place down in Florida, and I had this voicemail from a guy from ISA, and I thought, you know, I'm on vacation, I'm not going to answer the call, so I passed it on to Jeff. He called me up and said, Dad, why didn't you take that call? I said, well, you're on the board up there. I'm not. It's probably for you. And then he called me and says, no. He says, told me about the ISA. He says, you have to go this year. So if you take a look back, Haggard & Stockings, this year's our 41st year. I've been in this business 46 years. Back when the ISA was known as IDA, asthma, you had to be sponsored. We were sponsored by Bill Holbrook from Vonnegut's. Unfortunately, neither around today. So, you know, it's been a long journey. We've been truly fortunate in what we've done. Back when I first started, I told the people when I started, you know, if we could do $4 million a year and stay in business, we've done a great job. Most of you, a lot of young people, don't realize back then we didn't have Twitter, we didn't have internet, we didn't have Facebook, we didn't have cell phones, we didn't have laptops. We knew where all the payphones were and where to get to them and how to call in. And let me tell you, it was different. And the distributors of that day back basically made 30% on standards and 20% on specials, no deviation. Then there was a young upstart company called Precision Twist Drill, entered the market and gave 60 off to everybody. And let me tell you, they turned everything upside down because at that time I was a field engineer for Pratt & Whitney Cutting Tool Company, and my distributors called me and said, my inventory just went down 30%. What are you going to do about it? And so the industry has changed drastically. And if you're not up with the industry, and that's the thing about ISA, you've got to stay current. You've got to stay current because things are totally different today, totally different. The IT side of it, you know, Amazon's in our picture. You know, we got the big box stores, and I know some of them here, sorry, but you're a big box store anyway. We're independents. Can we survive? Yes, we can. Every week, I get inquiries from venture capitalists. They want to buy somebody in the distribution business, and there's a lot of merging and going on. But can you survive? Yes, you can survive. You can survive if you partner with manufacturers like CribMaster, like a number of our others that we have, and you work with the customer. Not all customers are price-only buyers. They have to cut costs. And this is what took place with CribMaster, with one of our aerospace customers. They presented a problem, and frankly, Shannon was our lead on this, working for Dave, and brought in CribMaster. Is everything rosy when you call your manufacturer? No. You have your ups and downs. But I tell you what, the CribMaster people dug in, they worked with us. And it's not only in the aerospace now. You know, we have a number of units and in the industrial side. We're big with Honda in that arena. So, and CribMaster is with us. Also what helps us is, you know, we've got, as a privately held distributor, now we're located in, we have stocking locations in, I'm trying to remember now, brick and mortar in 4 states, and we have stocking locations in about 6 other states, and we sell in about 30 states. Big change, never expected to be there. But, you know, if you partner, you've got to partner in a number of ways. Partner with your manufacturer, partner with your customer. We're also a member, and I do want to say we're a member of IBC. And IBC is a partnership program. So you can compete with the box stores. It isn't easy. Would I like to be a big box store, $2 billion in sales? I'd be a damn fool if I didn't say it. But we're not. We've got a very good business. But I basically like awards. They laugh at me. If you want to make Herb happy, give award. Because it's not to me that the award comes. It's to the people that work for you. This program, this award, isn't what HerbHaggard did at all. So this is a special year for us. A special year for several other reasons. I turned 70 this year. My wife won't let me retire. She used to say, when you're going to retire? Now she says, don't retire. We're also celebrating our 50th anniversary this year. This is my wife, Marie. So I encourage all of you to support the ISA. If you want to stay current with the technology, with the vendors, all that, support the ISA. Work with your manufacturers. I would like to see more distributors. I know over the years, I've heard from manufacturers saying they're upset because there's not enough distributors here. And, you know, let's face it, times get tough, and we save money. I had them on a budget until I found out we won. Now I brought 8 people. So I guess if everybody can win, you can bring 8 or 9 people. I mean, I don't know. So, but I don't think we can do that. But support the ISA. I do thank them for what they've done, and the award really means a lot. Anybody want to say anything? Thank you.